Yo YouTube, what's the deal? It's your boy Fast Life Mar, and I'm back at it with another video. As you guys can see right now, we have a new carbon fiber hood, and man, if you take a look at this hood, man, this hood is aggressive as fuck, man. I'm not even gonna lie to you, it blends in with the car just perfectly. Now we just gotta get some more matching color sets and stuff to go around that, if you know what I mean. But I know I told you guys the wing will pretty much be the last cosmetic mod, but man, if you take a look at this, man, I don't regret this purchase at all, man. This shit is just looking crazy. Now I'm gonna try to get a little closer view to see if you guys can see it on the camera. The carbon fiber weave is looking real crazy, the gloss and everything, and it's still a little dirty, so if we clean it up, it's for sure gonna look better. I will move it in the sun for you guys in a bit. As you guys can see, I am in the shade, the sun is over there, it is hot outside, so I will be recording this part in the shade. But man, if you take a look at the car is looking real crazy right now, guys. Man, carbon fiber, 5% tint, front windshield tint. We got the name tag done on the car, so as you guys can see, that's official. And of course, we got the RTB sticker here in the back. Big shout out to RTB. Got the exhaust down there right. I know y'all hear while I'm standing back here, but let me go ahead and let you guys hear this rumble real quick. But sheesh, man, while I was down there, I was looking at these small ass tires. These 235s got to go, man. If you guys can see, tires are small as fuck, and I am losing traction doing mid pull, so when I tune the car, I know it's gonna be crazy. But I got something really special coming to you guys in the next video, so if you're watching this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the video. Since we're back here, we might as well give you guys some revs. I never gave you guys a full rev. All the revs I gave you was like a 4K rev, but let's go ahead and give it a thumbs up. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. Sheesh, man. As you guys can see, big shout out to my girl right here for revving the car up. She did a wonderful job this time, because last time it wasn't so good. But man, sheesh. Man, I'm just out of words for this new hood, man. If you guys can tell, this shit is looking crazy. I believe the hood is from Anderson Composites, and if you guys know Anderson Composites, they make some nice hoods, some nice carbon fiber hoods. But man, if you look at this, man, the front windshield tint with the carbon fiber hood, it just blends in so perfectly. It gives the car so much more aggression. We got to do something with that silver pony right there. Don't know what yet, but man, sheesh. I think this time, guys, I'm really done with the cosmetics mods. I don't want to really touch the car too much more. I'm ready to get to some performance. So hopefully in the next video or a couple videos after that, we will be showing you guys some mods coming real soon. And not just cosmetics mods, guys. I'm talking about some performance. So we're going to get this baby pushing up some horsepower. But man, if you're watching this video, once again, thank you for watching the channel. Thank you for supporting the channel. It's your boy Mar, and I'm out. Now, so as you guys can see, this isn't the end of the video just yet. As you guys can see, we up here at RTB again, and if you guys don't know, my guy Love Day right here is getting his Ecoboost Mustang some exhaust work. So we're gonna go ahead and open up the box and show you guys which exact exhaust setup that is for that car, and we're gonna basically be showing you guys the sound and everything. We just installed a cold air intake, I believe yesterday, so the turbo spools is already louder. So let's just see if we can get the exhaust any louder, but let's get into it. Man, God, alright, so as you guys can see, we have the resonators and the mufflers already out from the car, and we're going in with the new mufflers and the resonators from the new catback exhaust on the Ecoboost Mustang. So we will be showing you guys how that sounds once again, man. But man, my guy Love Day over here got big mods coming soon. If you watch the channel already, you should already know we have a lot of mods coming soon to the Ecoboost. to show you guys that the Ecoboost can still hold power and push some power down. But man, can't wait for this. All right guys, so as you guys can see, we have the whole exhaust, stock exhaust out now, and with the new exhaust. So let's go ahead and see how it sounds now.